All right, let's revisit JSON now and talk about what it can represent, and then we're going to get to why it can represent it. There are only two basic data structures inside JSON, and they are arrays and dictionaries. Now, we all know what arrays are. Arrays are lists of things, and dictionaries are these associative maps. So they can be combined in arbitrary ways. So an array inside JSON is represented using these square brackets, and then a list of items between. And a dictionary is represented using the curly braces, and it's a bunch of keyword and value pairs. And then there's a keyword, colon, and then a value. And there can be arbitrary numbers of these separated by commas. Those are the only two data structures inside JSON. And they're all just combined, and they can be nested in arbitrary ways. So I can create a very deep document. So I can create a document, for instance, and at the top level there has to be a dictionary. And I can create something with a name, and then has a value, and then I can have a city, and it can have another value here. And then I could put, for instance, if this is just a collection of people and their cities and maybe their interests, I could have another key here called interest, and that could turn out to be an array, and it's got square brackets, and then I could put things in here. And each of these in itself could, of course, be its own dictionary, which means it would be represented using the curly braced. So we're going to build up everything from these two basic data structures. The two basic data structures are arrays and dictionaries. Now we're going to go through and show you each of these and teach you how to write them. And then we'll go from a higher level and show how they're used in data representation relative to relational databases. All right, time for the next quiz. Write the JSON for a simple document containing a single key, fruit, that has as its value an array containing 3 strings, apple, pear, and peach. You're just going to write the JSON document for that.